Ha? Table 4.
For my drinking. Ito po. Kaysa yung ganito. Pangit naman. Kita mo yung ano? Yung ano?
Wow! Gawang embossing, Ira. Pwede na.
Just what?
Pwede ka na ma-hire.
You?
Kago eh. When you take the table off of that.
Huh. Pwede na ma-hire ang bossing.
Should we move it?
Hi! Vloggerist!
Let's move it right!
Ito siya, tawag dun. Pwede mo siya mag-edit ng portrait na ganyan. Ay, naka-landscape din portrait. So, when you edit it,
Nakaano ka rin siya?
oh, ganito siya. Tapos pwede mo siya ma-edit ma-upload sa social.
Oh, you guys have good for their Wednesday, Thursday.
Nakaano to sa ano mo?
Oo.
Run.
Wala, si Ray Ray oh, maggusto na mag... Ganyan na ba ang mga Gen Z karon? Mag-jogging na naka-record. Dabe?
Hi, my name is...
Why is your sleeve wet?
My name is... Why? What's your name? Hi, hi people. Welcome to my vlog. Look at this. Okay, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the Rai. Rai. That's a pretty little baby. Hi, Rai. Say hi, Rai. Welcome to my vlog. My name is... My name is... Rai, sing.
She knows how to aka.
She's shy now, girl. Okay na.
Hi, I'm Rai Rai.
Wow.
I'm gonna sing. Say hi, vlog. A, B, C, D, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Sige na, Rai Rai's word. A, B,
Right, say ako.
Ko. Look.
Why, why?
You gonna have beer?
Yeah, she wants it. Ako?
Sino?
Ako? Why not? At the back. Who are you?
You're bored too, no? That's why you're sleeping.
At the back?
Why you didn't go with them?
I'm tired.
We went to No Frills, Walmart, No Frills.
And she still wanna go back.
Oh, back and back.
What is she doing somewhere? What is... Camera is over here, right? Don't break it.
Only today?
Brother,
That's your payment.
Reward for doing it.
But the under is not locked.
Ayan, si Joey, mag-alis na si Joe. She wants to go home, but no, you're not allowed to go home. It's
Watch
too
me go.
early.
Watch.
Mag-alis na si Joey, tapos magluto kami ng steak.
Magluto tayo ng steak, Joe.
I need to go.
I want you steak for your birthday.
Oh, is
Hirap
it still
naman
my
mag-English
birthday?
na.
Bala kayo, uwi ka na, Joe.
Sige, huwag ka na. Hirap mo naman ulit.
Go home na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Rao.
It's so hard to speak English.
Huh? No?
Yeah, it's too early, Joe.
Did you hear what he just told you? Go home now.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's so hard to speak English.
And you think she knows
Okay.
Bye-bye, oh.
Bye-bye, Joe.
Bye-bye,
No, tomorrow na. Go home tomorrow.
Next off.
I don't know. Hopefully he will give me the
Wait, what
weekend.
about your yogurt? Oh,
Yeah. Hopefully he will give me the weekend.
This weekend?
He needs to give me this weekend.
the yogurt
Monday
has
morning.
what you call this one, Joe? This one?
Honey.
Honey? Honey. But you don't have honey.
Di wow.
Okay, bye-bye, Joe.
Bye-bye! Ha?
Monday morning. Monday to Thursday. Wow.
I'm off Wednesday, Thursday.
Because I'm your videographer, Joe.
I'm off Wednesday. I feel like I should do an ad. Wednesday.
Greek yogurt.
Ano? Monday to Thursday. Ha. Bye-bye.
What? I can't think.
How much is that, Caroline?
Is it that sounds good?
Yeah, it's good.
With oats?
No?
Just yogurt. Just yogurt.
Oh, you mean? Yeah, I don't have those.
With oats? Is it oats? Did you put on top?
Joe!
This one? I have to go get my credit card now. Wait, oh, pencil.
No, you're not allowed to go out. Try. Because you're Tito Dadas. Oh my goodness. It's okay, Joe. Joe, come here, Joe.
No, bye today. Thank you.
Where are you going? Happy birthday, Joe. I don't know when is your, like your,
Mine?
exactly. Oh, that's, Go Jay?
No.
That's Jay. Okay, Joe. No, later.
No.
Later, not.
You're gonna forget.
Hi, what are you gonna do? Huh? Bring this up.
Wait, just take him, Joe. Bye.
I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see
Take kayo, nangala yan.
Oh, nangala, dami nangala. Unsa man nagluto?
Dito ko sa ano, barbecue sa ano.
Ay, isog ba? Ay, Diyos ko. Oh,
Dali naman yun.
ano oras eh? Ako na magsugba be. Ay, ito pala si Bossing. Nagpinta siya ngayon ng...
Talaga yan. Super pintura.
Sorry my guys. Naubo lang ako sa amoy ng ano, spray na yan. To, maganda na to. Pwede na to siya pang ano, pang benta. 80. Baka gusto nyong i-mine. Ayan. Hindi ito ha. May ari na yan. Gago. May ari. Daddy song.
say daddy's home.
Ito, busy naman to siya mag barbecue.
Hanap tayo ng Justin.
Vloggers na siya.
Supportive asawa.
O, diba? Tingnan mo yan, o. Daddy song.
Daddy's home.
Wow, magic. Wala kaming nilagay na ano dyan na pang pailaw. Pampailaw. Bobo.
Sige,
Pampailaw.
nalingaw na naman si Er na mag-vlog labo. Mag-vlog
Ayan
na
na.
naman to ulit.
Syempre, summer na eh. Pag winter, wala nang vlog.
Tapos sa vlog.
Tapos ang mag-quit mag-vlog pag winter. Pag summer,
Nangala ko. Ano nangala Kira? Waiting for it.
if you want to eat steak, then you cook.
I don't know how to
Why
cook
you ask
steak.
Ella to cook the steak?
I asked you to cook the steak.
Ay, look.
Pwede kasi yun, no? Oh my God, pinag-usapan ako.
Here's a little dog.
Steak lang ulam. Yung uling kulang. Steak yung ulam. Ang uling kulang. Ay, I'm sick of your stitch.
Nagagalit na po si Erna.
Kidding. I love stitch though.
You love steak.
Gusto ng steak pero ang uling.
Hindi, mahal ang ulam. Pero ang uling kulang. Ay, yung ulam.
Kaya may ulam namin ngayon. Eto. Steak. Oh, ang ganda ng marbling, di ba?
Oh my God!
You know why? Why we got the steak? Because of this one.
Because I'm craving.
Kira! How about you? Ay! Thank you.
How about you, Shira?
Thank
How
you.
about you, Spencer?
Sweet naman ang asawa ko, di ba?
Oh my God!
Ang asawa ko.
Gluto muna kami, so mamaya muna tayo mag-usap. Hello guys, so ayan. We're back. So ayan, naluto na yung isa. Ito, paluto na tong isa. Ayan, yung cookeries namin, no? Di ba?
Tapos na ata.
Ayan, no?
Okay na, kakain na. Kain na tayo.
Di ba? Bilis lang.
Yeah.
Kain! Tayo! Tayo!
Tayo.
Pati phone.
iPhone 19.
So yun, makain kami. Nakalitin yung watermelon. Bakit isang watermelon? Medium rare? Well done. Ha?
Sarap pag well done. Well done. Hindi man siya well done.
Hindi, sabi ko medium well done. Kasi meron pa siyang
Malambot lang siya, no?
meron pa siya. Pag medium well done siya, medyo
Alam nyo ba guys, dito lang ako nakatikim ng steak sa Canada. Sa Pinas di ako nakatikim ng steak.
matigas na ng steak sa Pilipinas. Kailangan papamukha.
Ano lang sa amin, baka. Well,
Ano to?
baka di ba ang ano?
Canadian steak.
Kinila, lami, yun na, oh.
Melts in your mouth. Oh,
Sa Pinas kay iro, raman namang kaon.
alam. Sweet, sweet.
Ay, wala, uy, di ko nagkakaon nila.
Melts in your mouth.
Joke.
Ay, ito yung Like, wait.
Yan. Panig na siya. Ito kasi, gusto mo ka na? Ano lang pagantay? Hindi na siya extension. Ano ba extension? Real guy, real. Keratin?
Selsan.
Silsan? Sino siya pag sa sunod siya ba kay ano siya? Hi ang ano. Or sa ano lang, sa screen. Tapos rice. Rice is life. Yan na, magkaon na. Magkaon! Go get the, ano. Wow! Wow!
Nye.
Yan na si Mosing. Bye, mukha na. Masarap yan, dahil luto ko yan. Yung watermelon. Watermelon, niluto.
Ay, kala ba steak? Hindi wala.
Hindi, yung watermelon.
Oh, wala nang gamugas.
Huwag mo, ano na. Ay, unya, pag kuman. Turn on the light.
Tining! Wow! Hello. Hi! So, I'm done with my preceptorship. I mean, my final preceptorship, my final OJT. Sit, come here! Come here, sit. So, this is sweet. Ano gawin mo? Mag-unbox kami ng regalo ng preceptor ko. Here. Thank you, ate, for watching. Wow! See? That's body butter. She gave me 3. Wow! Salt. It's bath salt. And then soap. Smells good. And then alcohol. And some bath slippers. And I think this is a bath towel and then hairband. It's a card. I'm unboxing. It's a card. It's a cute card. It's a personalized card. Thank you, ate. I-make sure ko mag-relax. Thank you po. Meron din tayo for her. So, late lang dating. So, it's from Matay. Late lang dating. Tapos, na yung preceptorship ko last. Kailan na ako natapos, lab? Lab! Sumagot. So, yung preceptor ko last Friday, which is earlier than I will finish it. So, nalate siya ng dating. So, it's from this. Wow. So, it's just a small top. It's a... I'll take it. I'll open it first. Yeah, put it in the phone. I'll explain it on the phone. So, it's the first. Cute. Cute. It's cute. And then, this one. It's cute. This one like this. And then, I have one more. And this one. Essentials. That's it. So, we're gonna pack it up. Pack ko din yung dalawa. Cute. One. Two. I still need to pack this. And then I'll put this one. That's it. Bye.